Here's a quick tutorial on how to control which applications automatically open when turning on your computer. This is pretty straightforward, but the setting can be hard to find, so I'll walk you through it. First, you'll open up System Settings, navigate to the General tab, and choose Login Items. This is where you control what opens when you log into your computer. I have Dropbox automatically opening every time I log in, and using the plus and minus icons here, I can either remove or add applications that open at login. I like to play music when I'm on my computer, so let's add Spotify here. The rest of the items you see here are background items that can be running even when the main application isn't open. These are usually hidden and won't get in your way, but this is a nice way to confirm what's actually running on your computer. If you're using an older version of macOS, this process is slightly different. First, you open System Preferences, go to Users and Groups, and click the Login Items tab. From here, you can add or remove applications. Older versions of macOS don't list all background items, so you'll only see applications that will be fully opened when logging into your computer. Hope that was helpful. See you next time.